In name of our team, welcome to this tech session. The focus today is flexible punching and dynamic automation. This technology is more important than ever before. Why is flexibility and automation so critical? Let's consider three important points. Short and long-term impacts of the corona crisis. The profit rate of production and the need of greater efficiency. Businesses have been affected by the coronavirus crisis in different ways, with immediate and long-term impacts. The crisis has brought and will continue to bring pricing pressure on stock levels, batch sizes, and delivery times. Manufacturers will have to more quickly adapt to new and changing circumstances. With some supply chains may be restricted by lockdowns, companies are pressured to be more flexible in how they operate. Fabricators will have to quickly increase their capacity in the coming years without hiring more people, adding more equipment, or requiring overtime. Many companies are embracing automation. The crisis has helped to speed up the adoption rate. 38% of entrepreneurs cite automation as a key way to increase the efficiency of machines. Half of metal entrepreneurs agree that automation helps increasing flexibility. Many entrepreneurs, like for example 48% in the Netherlands and 35% in Germany, report that they're gonna plan to invest in automation in the future. Why automate? Automation helps companies to get more out of their existing machines without having to invest in new machines and without adding workers. Automation makes companies more flexible with unmanned production that can quickly be scaled up or down. Automation increases productivity and process flow. How to unlock this key? Manufacturers have to look differently at the layout of their production environment and their process flow. Machine utilization and process flow are equally critical to productivity rates. That's what counts. Across manufacturing industries and markets, what we have learned is that automation is the key to better process flow and throughput productivity. Another important factor is how to modern automation systems and optimize your process flow. It's not just about producing large batches. It's about accelerating your order-to-cash cycle. Automation reduces the cost per part, and automation also reduces the lead time. Modern automation systems help optimize process flow in three key ways. The first one is they improve the man-machine relationship. The second one, they allow you to combine existing and new machines. And the third one is they open the door to more creative solution of the manufacturers. The level of automation defines the state-of-art factory. Many tasks can be completed without human intervention, reassigning operators to new or different tasks so that they can add more value. For example, a worker can be retrained to oversee the operation of the system or to monitor the process and make decisions from the data. Intuitive user interfaces technology makes this retraining easily possible. Evolving production system is an important way to create a successful smart factory. Machines that can be expanded and combined in a modular way helps you reach a higher level of operation and efficiency. Modular automation solutions offer enormous flexibilities and a guarantee that they will be able to respond to changing requirements. Challenge conventional thinking. 3 questions. How can the process evolve to be more flexible and efficient? How you can add more value? And how can you reduce lead times? To succeed with automation, it's all about adding value to the part. Punching, forming, tapping, and bending. It's not just about production. It's more about flexible productivity and flow. How can automation play a part in your company evolution to remain competitive? Ask yourself, what will be your next punch press be able to do? To realize success with your next punch press, you need to look at 3 things: adding value, flexibility in production, and process flow. Adding values involves reducing material handling, optimizing material usage, making it easy and safe to load and unload material, a more capable punching process able to perform multiple processes like punching, forming, tapping, bending, and automation. A flexible punch press is the key because it drives productivity. It reduces lead times. It allows you to do more on one machine, so you maximize the use of the floor space. It reduces the production cycle time and minimizes all the errors. Process flow is equally important because flexibility of the automation system is the key of optimizing the flow. The flow is the key to ensuring that you can meet delivery times and achieve optimal cost per part. Centralizing your production hub enables you to use real-life data to manage the process flow. The key is modular solutions with a wide range of possibilities. Modularity is the key to flexibility. Important factor is to start with a core machine that has the process to add value to the part. The FAP flexible automation system is designed especially for this punch press. Some of the key points are ergonomical design, so there is no physical requirement by the operator. It provides unattended loading of material, unloading of the skeleton, and sorting the parts. The modular design allows it to be expanded up to 4 meters. The FAP uses shuttle table for loading material, as you can see on the left side of the slide. There are shuttles with loading tables and also shuttles for sorting and stacking. Using the FAP will increase the machine utilization rate for a day and night shift up to 50%. Allows connections to tower automation for input stations or to warehouse automation for a more complete solution. Custom-made pick and sort pallets are also possible. A compact tower is another modular automation solution. It can be loaded with several different types of material, different material thicknesses, and can store back the finished sheets from inside the system. This can be the first step towards unmanned production. It's also possible to combine an FAP system with a compact tower. The sorting footprint will be much larger and can be customized. Another automation solution is expanding tool storage. A tool storage system will increase the productivity of the punching machine. This extended tool magazine provides additional tool capacity of more than 60 tools. It uses a carousel to house the tools which are positioned automatically in the machine. The ETM provides quick access to several tools which are always ready in production cycle. For increased productivity, there is also the option for parts sorting. Small parts that fall through the punch press drop door can be automatically sorted by a bin sort. Sorting takes place while the machine is operating, making the entire system more productive. Bin sort is comprised of 4 programmable bins that are arranged in a carousel. Bin selection is made by the operator at the control base of the job being processed. Let's now have a closer look on our PX with FAP and tower automation system. The tower automation system, or TAS, with FAP is available for sheet sizes up to 3 by 1.5 meters. The TAS has a modular design to build any of several configurations with additional machines. Here, in this example, there are 2 machines connected to one TAS system, one on the front and one on the back. This machine configuration is set up at our XP center in Belgium. The TAS is, in turn, connected to the FAP. Sheets are automatically loaded on the punch press. This is handled not with a shuttle system, but through a direct connection to the tower automation system.